Here are the peppers that I'm dehydrating today to make my hot and sweet pepper flakes. As you can see, I have a large variety. Here's some of the ones I planted this year. I have my poblano peppers, my sweet pepper carnival, Anaheim, California Wonder Red, another brand, the Wonder, another Sweet Bella Hybrid, my Tajin, which are very hot and spicy. They add the nice kick. I've got my Datil. Again, having a few in the mix is what creates the kick, and then the sweetness can just mellow it out. Banana, some jalapenos, which is a very mild jalapeno. Jalapeno and jalapeno. So those are all the peppers I planted, and there's a mixture here that you can see. I will show you today how you can make an awesome blend pepper spice flakes. Here is my dehydrator. I have a Kasori. I'm really happy with it. I have my sliced peppers going at 135 degree Fahrenheit for 14 hours. I hope you enjoyed this video where I showed you how to dehydrate peppers and make your own customized pepper flakes. Here's the results of mine, and you could do this too. If you enjoyed this video, if you'd like to learn more about growing organic vegetables and how to process them and use them in your daily cooking for your health, then please follow along Organic Oasis California. Thank you.